Article 13, mitigating circumstances. The following are mitigating circumstances. Number 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisite necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability is the respective cases are not attempted. 2. Uh, 2. Article Paragraph 2, that the offender is under 18 years of age or over 18 years, 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceed against the accordance with the provisions of Article 80. 3. That the offender have no intention to commit so grave, wrong as the committed. 4. The sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offender party immediately preceded the act. 5. 5. That the act was committed in the immediate vindication of the grave offense to the other committing the felony delito, his spouse, ascendants, or relative by affinity within the same degrees. 6. That that of having accept upon the impulse of powerful as naturally to have proceed passion of passion passion or of obfuscation. 7. 7. That the 7. That the offender have voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority of his agents, or that or that or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering some physical defect which thus restrict his means of action, defense, or communications with his fellow beings. 8. Such illness of the offender would diminish the exercises of the willpower of the offender without, however, depriving him or the consciousness of his acts. 10. And finally, any other circumstances of the similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned